Every year in the United States alone, over 1,000 tornadoes touch down, causing billions in damage and claiming lives. Winds can roar at over 200 miles per hour, strong enough to rip houses apart, flip cars, and turn everyday objects into deadly missiles. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. But what if you don't have one? Millions of people live in homes without basements. The good news? Survival is still possible if you know the right moves. In this video, we'll break down exactly what to do if a tornado strikes and you don't have a basement. By the end, you'll know how to find shelter, protect yourself, and avoid common mistakes that cost lives. Part 1. What is a tornado? A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm cloud to the ground. It can look like a funnel, a rope, or even a massive wedge of swirling destruction. Wind speeds can range from 65 miles per hour to over 200. To put that in perspective, that's faster than the takeoff speed of most airplanes. Analogy: imagine a giant vacuum cleaner roaring across the land, sucking up everything in its path and tossing it around at terrifying speeds. That's the raw power of a tornado. Part 2. Why basements save lives. Basements work because they put you below ground level, away from flying debris and collapsing walls. But here's the problem: not every house has one. Many homes in the South and parts of the Midwest are built on slabs or crawl spaces. That's why knowing alternative safe spots is critical. You can't wait until the funnel is overhead to figure it out. Part 3. Step 1. Best safe spots in your home. If you don't have a basement, the next safest place is an interior room on the lowest floor of your home. Think bathroom, closet, or hallway. The smaller and more central, the better. Stay away from windows. Glass shatters easily and turns into high-speed knives in tornado winds. Analogy: imagine stacking shields between yourself and the storm. The more walls between you and the outside, the more protection you have. A small central bathroom with no windows often provides several layers of defense. Part 4. Step 2. Shield yourself. Once you're in that safe room, shield your body. The majority of tornado deaths happen from flying debris. Use mattresses, heavy blankets, or even couch cushions to cover yourself. If you have a bicycle or sports helmet, put it on. Protecting your head and neck can be the difference between life and death. Analogy: football players don't take the field without helmets. In a tornado, you're in the most dangerous game of your life. Gear up any way you can. Part 5. If you're caught outside. Sometimes you won't be at home when the sirens go off. What then? In a car, if the tornado is far away, try to drive at right angles to its path. But if it's close, do not try to outrun it. Tornadoes can change direction quickly. If escape is impossible, leave the car and lie flat in a ditch or low ground, covering your head. On foot, same rule. Find the lowest spot, lie flat, and protect your head. Remember, cars and mobile homes are some of the most dangerous places to be in a tornado. Part 6. Myths to avoid. A few tornado myths can get people killed. Myth number 1. Open your windows to equalize pressure. Wrong. It wastes precious seconds and actually increases your risk from flying glass. Myth number 2. Shelter under a highway bridge. Sounds safe, but the wind speeds up under the bridge like a wind tunnel, making it more deadly. Analogy: hiding under a bridge is like standing in front of a giant hairdryer on max power, except this dryer can throw cars. Part 7. Aftermath safety. The storm may pass in minutes, but danger doesn't end there. Watch out for downed power lines. They could still be live. Be alert for gas leaks or broken water lines. Avoid walking barefoot. Debris and broken glass will be everywhere.
Wait until officials give the all clear before leaving your shelter. Calmly check yourself and those around you for injuries. If needed, apply first aid until help arrives. Part 8. Recap and CTA. Let's recap. If you don't have a basement during a tornado, go to a small, windowless, interior room on the lowest floor. Shield your head and body with anything available. If caught outside, find low ground, lie flat, and cover your head. Avoid dangerous myths like opening windows or hiding under bridges. Stay safe after the storm until the area is cleared. The memory phrase is, small room, shields up, head down. Tornadoes are terrifying, but knowledge is power. Share this video to help others prepare. And don't miss our next episode of You versus